Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make orange flavored baked chicken. I have my ingredients here. I have one whole chicken. It's about 4 pounds. I have some chili pepper. I have 3 tablespoons of butter, room temperature. 2 tablespoons of seasoning with bandania, garlic, onions, and pimento. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I have oranges here. I'm going to use a couple of oranges. Also the garlic powder, paprika, and pimento with ginger. Also some pimento as well. So I'll start the first step now. I'm going to take the backbone off this piece here with the tail. So it goes down the side. Take this piece off. You can save this to make soup if you want to. And then I kind of break the back here a little bit. Boom. Alright, that's it. So I'm going to wash it with some vinegar to the bowl. You can also wash it with lime or lemon if you want to. But I'm using the vinegar. Take most of the fat out. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna get this sauce ready for basting the chicken. I have a couple of oranges here. This one off there, and I cut it in thin slices. Spread it into the baking dish. Right, then I'm gonna get the sauce ready. I'll toss the butter in. Seasoning. This is the green seasoning here. The salt, some garlic powder, some paprika, the pimento, it's pimento, ginger, black pepper, and my chili powder. I'm going to put some allspice. Okay, I'm going to mix all together now. With the orange in, just a little bit, not much. Of course, it's orange chicken, so a little bit of orange is good. Okay. Mix them again. Oh, it's kind of nice right now. I'm also going to put some orange juice that I bought. It's not much, just a little, so you can get a little more flavor. I'm going to put some of this orange juice just to cover. So, one orange. Take the seeds off. Good. Mix. Alright, so I have the chicken out. I'm just gonna dry them up. Get it a little. Turn them on each side here. The other side. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, start pasting it. So I'm gonna paste it on. Alright, this is good. Also going to turn them over as well in the dish. And continue to paste. Okay, so I'm going to put some oregano. This is the basil. And the rosemary. Okay, I saved this, so halfway when it's baking I'm gonna do a little more paste on it. I have to preheat the oven. This is gonna sit for 45 minutes. I have to preheat the oven at 450 and it's gonna go in there for 45 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna preheat the oven and then we get started baking. So after 45 minutes I preheated the oven at 450. So I'm gonna put it in. Again, I said 45 minutes. See you soon. Okay, I'm gonna check it after half an hour. Oh, it's coming beautifully. Look at that. Let's put some of the sauce in it. Still some sauce as well. Okay. Goes back for about 15 more minutes. 45 minutes. I believe it's done. Oh yeah, beautiful. Taste it again. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna leave it outside to cool down. It's gotta cool down for at least 15 minutes. And then we can cut it and taste it. I'm going to take it out from the dish and put it into another flat dish and let it sit for about 15 minutes so it'll get a little bit dry, and then I'll cut it up into pieces. So it's cooled down for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cut it up now into pieces. I'm going to try, I'm going to taste it. Oh, look at that one, beautiful, man. Wow, nice. So, I'm going to try this piece here. I have some mashed potatoes and of course Bertie's hot pepper sauce. This is, I like my pepper sauce in everything, so let's take a taste and see what's happening here. This piece of the meat here. The skin. Juicy and nice. You can taste the orange, the seasoning, the bandania, everything in it. Very tasty. Hope you like this dish. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next time.